everybody, it's Brad at Deere Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2022 John Deere 4044M that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'm going to walk around, talk about the features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, show you everything I see, tell you everything I know. Then of course we'll fire it up, kind of run it through its paces, show you there's no play up here in the pins, show you the hydraulics are strong, show you the brakes work good, the transmission's strong. As always, if you are in the market for a used tractor, a used piece of farm equipment, or a used piece of construction equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our machines and find our videos, and we truly do appreciate it. Sorry in advance, it's a little windy out here, so if the audio is off a little bit today, that's why. All right, like I said, this is a 2022 John Deere 4044M OROPS 4-wheel drive 400E front loader with the John Deere style quick attach, 12-speed power reverser, R4 tires, rear wheel weights, and only 15 hours. It's a like new tractor. As I get up close to everything here, you'll see I just cranked it up, ran it around a little bit. Hydraulics are nice and strong, pins are nice and tight. As you see here, the paint is very bright, very reflective. It's basically like new tractor here. Tires are like you would expect, like new. Same thing up here, front rims, very good shape. Fenders in like new shape as it should be. Rear tire again like new. Like I said, rear wheel weights, rims in really good shape. Come around back here, 3-point arms are in good shape. Drawbar, 540 PTO, top link here, your fuel tank. Coming over to this side again, this fender like new, rear tire like new, this rim like new. Basically, this came from one of the dealers we do a lot of business with. We bought a package of equipment from them. This person bought this tractor new. It just wasn't going to do what they thought it would do, and they traded it in on a skid steer. You'll see this side of the loader arms, again, like new. This front tire, again, matches up really well to the other side. Same thing with this rim. Come take a look at the bucket. No bows or anything in the bucket, very straight. Hardly any paint out of the bucket even. Nice and straight up here. That black mesh grill, very nice. Both headlights like new. Top of the hood. See if I can pop this hood with one hand. It's a little hard sometimes with the camera, but I think I got it there. All right, as you can tell, everything looks new in here. Radiator's nice and straight, nice and clean. Everything up here looks good. See if we can see much from the side of the block. As you can see here, everything looks really good, nice and dry like it should be. No oil or diesel running down the side there. Oil pan's nice and dry and clean. Come over here to the other side. Show you everything I can see here. As you can see, nice and clean, nice and dry. Front axle's good. Take a look at the operator station. That step's in good shape. Floorboard's really good here. Obviously, just a little bit of dirt on that pedal from my boot. A little dirt and mud. Park brake. Your gear selector, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then your range selector, A, B, and C. It is a 12-speed, like I said. Seat's in really good shape. No cuts or tears there. Brake pedals, throttle pedal, of course, really good shape there. Digital dash, 15.7 hours. Loader control lever, like new. Everything looks good over here. All right, like I said, it's a 2022 4044M. I'll get that hood shut, we'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.